Hi Anods, welcome to Okas IoT Studio. In today's session, we will learn assembly register code to value conversion. So, what are SMD registers? SMD stands for Surface Mounted Device, and SMD is any electronic component that is made for use with SMT, or Surface Mount Technology. SMT was developed to meet the ongoing desire for printed circuit board manufacturers to use smaller components and to be faster, more efficient, and cheaper when assembling components to the PCBs. SMDs are smaller than their traditional through-hole counterparts. They are often square, rectangular, or oval in shape, with very low profiles. Instead of wire leads that go through the PCB, SMDs have small leads or pins that are soldered to pads on the surface of the board. This eliminates the need for holes in the board and thereby allows both sides of the board to be more fully populated with components. SMDs, the manufacture of PCBs using SMT is similar to that for component with leads. Small pads of silver or gold plate or tin lead are placed on the board for attaching the component. Solder paste, a mixture of flux and small balls of solder, is then applied to the mounting pads by a machine similar to a computer printer. Once the PCB is prepared, SMDs are placed on it using a pick and place machine. The components are fed to the machine in long tubes on rolls of tape or entries. These picks and place machines can pick assembly device and place onto PCBs at rate of thousands of components per hour. The board is then sent through a reflow soldering oven. In this oven, the board is slowly brought up to a temperature that will melt the solder. Once cooled, the board is cleaned to remove solder flux, residue, and stray solder particles. A visual inspection checks for missing or out of position parts and that the board is clean. SMD register packages. The term package refers to the size, shape, or layout configuration of an electronic component. In assembly registers, register package designators tell the length and width of the register. SMD packages may be given in inches as well as in millimeters. It is therefore important to check the manufacturer's documentation. The shape and size of surface mount resistors are standardized with most manufacturers use the JDEC standards. The size of SMD resistors is indicated by a numerical code such as 1206 0805 0603. Resistor SMD code. Because of the small size of the SMD resistors, there is often no room for the traditional color band code to be printed on them. Therefore, no resistor SMD codes were developed. The most commonly seen codes are 3 and 4 digit system and an Electronic Industries Alliance EIA system called EIA 96. The 3 and 4 digit system. In these systems, the first two or three digits indicate the numerical resistance value of the resistor, and the last digit gives a multiplier. The number of the last digit indicates the power of 10 by which to multiply the given resistor value. Here are some examples of the values under this system. Three-digit system. In three-digit system, first two digits are number while third one is a multiplier. So let's calculate for some examples. Here you can see in the image code marking is 450. So first two digit will write as 45, then next digit is multiplied. That means 10 to the power 0. So final value is 45 multiplied by 10 to the power 0 is equal to 45 ohm. Let's calculate for one more example. In the image, you can see a SIMD register with a marking 273. So first two digit we will write as 27. Then next digit is the multiplier, that means 10 to the power 3. So final value is 27 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 is equal to 27 kilo ohm. Four digit system. In four-digit system, first three digits are number while fourth one is a multiplier. So let's calculate for some examples. Here you can see in the image code marking is 7992. So first digit we will write as 799. Then next digit is multiplied. That means 10 to the power 2. So the final value is 799 multiplied by 10 to the power 2, which is equal to 79.9 kilo ohm. Let's calculate for one more example. Here you can see in the image code marking is 1733. So first three digit we will write as 173 and the next is multiply. That means 10 to the power 3. So the final value is 173 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. This is 173 kilo ohm. The letter R is used to indicate the position of a decimal point for resistant values lower than 10 ohm. Thus 0 or 5 would be 0.5 ohm and 0 or 01 would be 0.01 ohm. The EIA 96 system. Higher precision resistors combined with the decreasing side of resistors have created the need to have a new, more compact marking for SMD registers. Therefore, the EIA 96 marking system has been created. It is based on the E96 series, thus aimed at registers with 1% tolerance. In this system, the marking exists out of three digits. Two number to indicate the register value and one letter for the multiplier. The first two numbers represent a code that indicates a resistance value with three significant digits. In the image, first table is shown. The resistance value for each code are given, which are basically the values from the E96 series. For example, the code 04 means 107 ohm and 60 means 412 ohm. The second table shown in the image provides the multiplying factor. For each data code gives the final value of resistor. I am giving to explain you some example. You can see SMD resistor in the image. Code 01 value from the first table is 100 with multiplier A. Value from the second table is equal to 1. So the final value is 100 multiplied by 1 is equal to 100 ohm plus minus 1%. 38C. Code 38 is equal to 243 with multiplier C is equal to 100. So it is equal to 243 into 100 is equal to 24,300 ohm plus minus 1%. Code 992 is equal to 887 with multiply Z is equal to 0.001. That is 887 multiplied by 0.01 is equal to 0.887 ohm plus minus 1%. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section. I am providing you a link for the document related to this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks and notes. See you later.